Welcome to a Portal demo video. In this video, I'll show you how this package, designed for the Adonis framework, helps you to scaffold authentication flows, such as logging in, signing up, verifying an email, and even reset password flows. To get started with the Portal package, we'll install it with npm i @AdonisAddons/portal. Then we'll go to our .adonis rc.json file, which is quite a mouthful, and add our directories here. But instead of all of this, which might have pre-generated for you, we're going to replace config up here with app, like this. Now the next step to do is actually to configure the Portal package, which we can do with node ace Adonis addons. Nope, I've got the configure command. Configure like so. And what this will do is actually create all of the files that we need, such as our portal controller. In here we can see email login, email sign up, and all the other cool stuff that you won't have to do yourself by using this package. So, as we can actually see here, our user has a red squiggly line underneath our name, and that is because the Portal package actually assumes that your user table doesn't have a name column on it. And in most cases, it doesn't. In some cases, it does. I recommend probably installing this package straight after installing Adonis's Auth package so that you've got fresh tables to work with. So to fix this, we'll actually go to our user model, copy this column here, and rename it to name. And that will fix that issue. The second squiggly line that you might get in the Portal controller is this email verified. Now again, we assume in this package that you don't have an email verified column on your users table, which is why we create these migrations in here. So again, we'll go to our user model and we will add column public email verified boolean like so. Once this command has finished, you'll be instructed to open the instructions in either terminal or browser. In this case, I'll go with terminal, and in here it says we need to import the Portal file into our routes. So in this case, we'll just do Portal. And the other instruction is that we need to change our redirect to in our middleware auth to /portal/login. So if we go here, we'll add this. And that is because in our Portal route file, we have a prefix of /portal in front of all of these routes. And when there is an error with logging in or signing up, it's going to redirect to the login page, basically. So, after we've done setting that up, the next stage is to actually run all of our migrations in our migrations folder. And this will create our usual users table that comes from the Adonis Auth package, and then another alter table on the users table that adds a name and email verifying columns, and then a tokens table that we use for resetting passwords and email verification. The last step is to actually start your application. If we go here, and we go to localhost, you'll see the default Adonis starting screen. However, if we go to Portal sign up, you'll see you're now greeted with this sign up page. If we add some details in here, and we'll go with the classic password as password, create account. Ta-da! And now you're redirected to your account page as well. Now this package also comes with logout feature. We can log back in. That was the wrong password, as you can see. password. There we go. And also we have this forgot password route. So we do hello and we submit. You can see we've sent an email with instructions to reset your password. Now this package doesn't actually send the emails. What we actually do in the code base, which is around here somewhere, is we emit some events. So in the case of forgetting your password, we forget portal.forgot password, and then you can chain this into your own email flow, whether that's using SES or some other third-party provider for transactional emails. If we jump into our database behind the Adonis application, we can see that we've created 2 tokens for the sign up and for the resetting password. Now, when you sign up, we emit that portal.signup event where you can then send an email to the user with a verification link, and this will be the token that you'll want to include. So I'll demo that now. So if I copy this and go back to our application, let's sign in first. So now that we're signed in, we go to verify email. We only want to pass a T instead of the full token, and then the actual token value. And we can see our email is now verified. So back to the resetting password. So if I copy this token here, which is our password reset token, and we go to reset password, T, and again passing the value, we're presented with this reset password screen. And in this case, I'll just put in some random characters, change password, and then you're redirected back to the login screen. And if I type in that new password, we're now signed in. Now, finally, back in our database, instead of actually deleting the password token, we set this to expired and actually save the time that the token was used at. I think this is more of a security, like extra security, so that you can check if an account has possibly been hacked into and the password reset. In that case, then you can see when that password was reset. And that is all for this demo video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Maybe share the video with other Adonis users. That would be pretty cool. And I'll see you next time.